Yeah, she did. He remarked about it quite a lot. I have to set the record straight that Bridget is in the pink on the right. Lauren is in the white on the left. Hi, Lauren. Hi, Lauren. Hi. Hi. Hi, Bridget. Oh, did we have a little stuff come up there? A little milk come up. Yeah. So this is Bridget, and this is Lauren. Yeah.